Hello everyone. So, my name is Nesuk, and this is uh, uh, Final Fantasy VIII, as you can see. Um, so, uh, this is not the vanilla game. This is the Ragnarok mode, and more precisely, this is the Lionheart mode. The Lionheart mode is the hard mode version of the Ragnarok. Let me just start a new game while I'm talking. So, first off, I want to say, I want to be clear. I am not English. I am French. As such, English is not my native language. So, I'm sorry if I speak slowly. It's just a way for me to be sure to not forgetting stuff. So the reason I start this LP of Final Fantasy VIII in English is because, well, I love Final Fantasy VIII. I know a lot of people hate it, but I love it. This is my first JRPG, so I know I love it because of nostalgia. I agree that this game objectively isn't good. It has a lot of problems, but I still love this game. And this is why I played a lot of mods of this game. I've played the Requiem mod, I played the Reloaded mod, which is a French mod made by Mexico, and the Ragnarok mod. Let me just turn down a little the volume. It's a little too loud for me. So, what is the Ragnarok mod? So the Ragnarok mod is made by Callisto. So this is a rebalance mode. This isn't a pure difficulty mode like the Requiem mode was. This is about rebalancing the game. Oh. Looks like my sound glitch. Oh. I just moved the window. Okay, so there is some weird stuff with the sound. Anyway, so this is a rebalance mode made by Callisto. Originally, it didn't have any hard mode, but after some requests, Callisto has made a hard mode for the mod. So this is called the Lionheart mode, and this is what I'm gonna play now. So the reason I'm doing this LP is because I want to give proper feedback, and I think it's better to just straight up do the video and say what I think and show what I'm doing instead of just writing stuff. So because there is always a chance I forget stuff when writing. So I want to say first, the Ragnarok mode on base is really good. I had a lot of fun playing it. I only completed it once, but it was really fun. So there is a lot of things that change, ranking from the stat of the character, the magic, the junction, etc. Whatever. As Squall said, whatever. Yeah, we do not care about the story. So, I'm just doing my stuff. I'm always naming the character by my pseudo when I'm doing an LP, and I'm not gonna change that habit. So yeah. Alright, so I do not care about the story, we just gonna pass all the dialogue. So, there is a lot of things that change. But I never played the Lionheart mod, so this will be the first time. So I will experience. So this is kinda of a blind playthrough. Anyway, the story of this game is really confusing, but yeah, it's FF8 in a nutshell. Confused. Okay. So we are a student in a military school, and we are going to pass the exam to be a mercenary because whatever. And yeah, somehow we pass the exam with brilliant success every time because we are the main protagonist and the story has to advance. That's basically the beginning of the game in a nutshell. So first off, this is really a lot of dialogue at the beginning. Well, it's not as bad as other JRPG, like the Persona game are horrible with their intro. But yeah, so this is our school, the Balan Garden. I'm sorry if I pronounce names wrong. And there will probably be some time where I will pronounce French name, because I played this game a lot in French, especially with the Reloaded mod. So I'm just gonna pass that, and we are gonna speak when we will have the control of the character. Okay. Yeah, so this guy here, Cypher, he is an asshole. Ignore him. Okay, first thing. We are gonna get our first summon, our GF, as they are called in this game. I'm not gonna bother rename the GF. It's useless. Yeah, I know how to play the fucking game, thanks. Alright. I'm done. So, first thing, let's check if the mod is properly installed. Normally it is. So Squall, yeah, Squall has some base magic. This isn't the case in the first game, in the Vanilla game. In the Vanilla game you have no magic, you have nothing. You are a student in a military thing, but we gave you nothing, you are just useless. So, right after that, this is my own playstyle. Maybe people will start by learning card, but two things. I hate the card game. Yeah. Originally I loved the card game, but no, I'm really tired of the card game. After a lot of years playing it, and especially because of the reloaded mode, forcing you to getting all cards to get the best stuff end game. I'm gotten really tired of the triple triad. So don't expect me to play a lot of triple triad. So my main priority are this, the refined ability, because they are gonna allow me to create magic later, as you probably know. Let's see Squall's stats. So if I'm correct, I think he has a far better vitality than the base game. He also has more HP. The elemental and statue doesn't change. The magic is not good with magic, so this is why I'm not gonna put this one, but maybe this one more. Yeah, for now I have not a special thing. One thing, I know the GF has been powered up in this mod. I just don't like the GF in this game. They are just too long. The animation are unnecessarily long, and in the base game they are basically the worst thing to do in battle. They take a long of time, and by the time their animation finish, you could have done like 10 times more damage than they did. So yeah, this sucks. Also, thing to know in this mod, the damage cap is removed. The damage are not limited to 999. Instead, we can go up to 60,000, I think. Yeah. So this is something that will become important later. Generally, magic has been buffed in this mod. Because magic is really underpowered in the... No, ah, fuck. Fuck, I mashed too fast. Guess I have to make her watch the entire VG building. So yeah. And yes, I knew the guy was in the corridor before the elevator give you the first card. I just don't care. I know card mode has been rebalanced in this mod, but I still think card mode breaks the game balance. To be honest, it is really well balanced in this mod. I just don't like the triple triad. I just don't want to deal with it. So, I'm gonna cut that. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do. So the first thing I'm going to do is check if the mod is properly installed. So if the mod is properly installed, screw it. So if the mod is correct, normally this is a double source, and this is a double source. So the mod is good. It's installed, no problem. And so normally our magic damage and magic damage of the bosses and enemies in general will be increased. Yeah, that's good to know. Just so you know, this is not gonna be a low level run or anything. I'm just gonna do some magic drawing, especially early on, because early on we don't have the refine ability. By the way, is there anything special with the item? 12 potion, anything? No. Yeah, nothing special. Okay, so there is a source here. This is a cure source. This hasn't changed. This is still a cure source. Alright. So here's Quistis. So she's our teacher, and we are gonna go face a summon and get it. Yeah, we don't care about the tutorial. It's not like I already played this game 20 times. I know how to play the game, thank you. Alright. So I'm gonna... Okay, so Quistis here is more magic oriented than Squall, as you can see. And she has a lot of spirit. So yeah, she's a more magic-oriented character. So she starts with some spell too. I think every character starts with some spell. There's different spells, like she has Break. Break does earth damage in this mod, if I recall correctly. Steep can be nice. Scan, Cure. Okay. So I'm just gonna junction the Thunder for now, because this is our best junction. So early on I'm gonna draw the basic spell. So this is quite long, but this is how this game is, sadly. So what you want to do is pick a fight. Okay, then that is not that is unlucky. And I forgot to set up my configuration. Jeez. Oh shit. Okay, I forgot to set up the sys command. And they eat like a truck, so that's interesting. Let me just there a bit. Alright. Wow, right. Okay, so the first enemy I'm gonna steal from is here. If he wants to show up. Thank you. Alright. So I'm gonna what the hell? 2 struck first in a row. Damn. Alright. So yeah, magic does a lot more damage. I'm gonna heal. Okay, so you can see this is a change of the mode. We can now draw more than 9 magic. So this is a really good quality of life. I'm gonna heal her. Okay, so I'm gonna basically steal 100 ice spell and 100 cure spell from this guy. So I'm gonna cut that off and doing this off screen. So I come back once this is done. Alright, so got 100 cure and the 100 blizzard. So now, thing to know about this game, if you use your magic that are junction, you're gonna lose stats. Obviously we do not want that, so I'm gonna also steal 50 thunder, so that's where I have the thunder junction and the blizzard to cast. So yeah, I didn't kill monsters yet, maybe I should. And then once I got the 100 thunder with Quistis, I'm gonna head to the fire cavern. So I want to steal thunder from these guys, the one in the middle, but I don't like the insect. So I'm gonna try to isolate him. So I'm gonna do this off screen and I'll come back. Alright, and so, well, I'm set. So there is probably some better magic I can get at this point that would increase better the magic, but this will have to do. Also, I'm gonna, even though I'm gonna use cure spell, I'm gonna junction them to spirit. This squall will take less damage. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna give some double to Quistis, but I'm gonna use double for the next fight. I'm gonna try to do a little challenge in this mod. I'm gonna use a taunt, this will be faster. And for this, I'm gonna use double with both characters. So let me save. So I have a lot of save. Actually, I think these are saves from Reloaded. I do not want to erase them. So this is all save from my old file. No big deal if I'm erasing them. So gonna enter the fire cave. Yes, I know. This game is annoying for that. Yes. I already know. Okay. So this is the fire cave. This is the first dungeon of this game. Obviously, it's not gonna be too tough, but I'm gonna do something. There is a little challenge in this mod. Yes. That's why I save. This isn't hard originally. However, we have the challenge to do it in 10 minutes, and I think this is actually reduced compared to the normal Ragnarok mode. The Lionheart mode is 10 minutes, the Ragnarok mode is 5 minutes. I think this gives an indication of how strong it will be. So we are going to try the 10 minutes. So 10 minutes to get to the boss and kill the boss. So let's do it. So I can tell the strat for the boss right now. So the strat is simple. I'm gonna put double on both characters. Squall is gonna be the healer, and Quistis is gonna do the damage with the Blizzard spell. I'm not gonna fight the mob fight, I'm gonna run away because this loses time. Fortunately, the escape in this game, unlike Final Fantasy IX, is really reliable. Your character escape really fast, except when it is an ambush, and you can escape when you are in menu, so this is good. So for just this fight, I'm gonna speed up the ATB. Damn it! Always have the encounter at this point. I wonder if this is fixed. As I said, the escape is really reliable in this game, so this is good for us. Yes, I'm ready. Okay, so my strat, I'm gonna use double. So this is Ifrit, a classic summon in the series, and he is the first boss. So in vanilla game, this is PCZ. Let's see what he got here. Oh, he did a lot of damage. Alright. I'm gonna set up the double. And I'm gonna start. Okay, fire. Oof. That's actually scary. I'm gonna do this. Alright. Maybe I should have used double Q. Okay. So it seems to deal more damage than the vanilla Ragnarok version, which is what I expected, so I'm not surprised. Alright, I need this fast. Jeez. Maybe this wasn't a good idea to set up the high speed. Alright, this is a good pace. So obviously, this isn't all this fight has. He has a surprise for us in this mod. He got the time to use it. Normally he should use it shortly. Impudent humans. Okay, so Lava Burst is a new attack in this mod. It doesn't deal as much damage as I thought it would. Honestly, I thought, since this is the Lionheart mod, I thought it will deal more damage than that. Guess I was wrong. Alright, so this is... Oh! Fire! Jeez. Gonna use a double cure here. That way Quistis is in full health. Yeah, I know the strategy in the vanilla game is often to spam the limit breaks, but since this is a mod, there is more damage, and limit break are less safe. I'm gonna eat that. I'm not gonna risk it. This is my fault. Was too slow to cast a cure. I hesitate. I should have cast cure on both. Okay, so this is going... Keep casting those blizzard. Eventually he will die. Shouldn't take more. Jeez, chill, man. Yeah. Well, this is the first fight, so of course there isn't a lot of thing going on. It's pretty straightforward fight. Alright, he's gonna bring the big guns again. This is actually scary, because if he had cast a fire on Quistis here, she would have died. Actually, I think even Squall would have died. Is he going to die? This is actually starting to becoming a little scary. Not because of the difficulty of the fight, but because, well, the timer. Alright. At 3 minutes left. Yeah. The 5 minutes would not have been possible. Seems he has more HP than the regular Ragnarok mode. Alright. So we got Ifrit. Yeah, I know about that. Okay. So, let me check. Probably gonna fight some fights to finish to learn this. As for Ifrit here, well, the main thing with Ifrit early on is he has this strength junction and element attack junction. He also have element defense junction. New to this mod, he has return damage. Return damage can actually be pretty good in this mod, but sadly it takes a lot to learn. Never learn this. This is useless. No, I mean, this is good in this mod because the summon are supposedly more powerful, but I don't use summon, so I'm gonna learn this. After that, probably gonna learn either this or this. Anyway, so I'm gonna junction it to scroll. Just like that. Alright, so I think this will have to do for this episode. This is pretty much a good start. So I'm gonna off screen finish to learn this ability with Shiva and Quetzalcoatl. Maybe trying to learn this, it depends if I have the patience or not. I'm going to try to limit the grind. But yeah. So this we have to do for this episode. Hope my English is good enough. And see you soon. Oh yes, I'm an idiot. I actually forget to show you the reward. So here's the reward. Little mistake here, Callisto. Within just 5 minutes. Yes, in the original Ragnarok mode, this is 5 minutes, but here the list time is 10 minutes, not 5. So the reward is an element attack. So with Ifrit, that means we can now have 2 people with elemental attack junction. So this is nice. Or you can just sell this thing for some GLF. If I remember correctly, it sells quite a bit. Anyway, so just like I said, I'm gonna finish to learn the abilities and draw some spell off screen. So yeah, I'm gonna end this episode right now. See you soon.